Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we are sharing a homemade digestive granules recipe. These granules improves appetite, increases hunger and provides quick relief from bloating and gas. Ingredients are Carrom seeds or ajwain 2 teaspoons, pink Himalayan salt or saindhava lavana 1 teaspoon and lemons 2. Firstly, extract the juice out of 2 lemons. Then add the lemon juice to 2 teaspoons of ajwain seeds. Also, add a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt to it and mix all the ingredients properly. These granules also helps in reducing acidity and constipation. Then, place a lid over the container and soak it for 3 days. After 3 days, remove the ajwain seeds from the lemon water and spread them over a clean dry plate as being shown here in the video. Then cover the plate with a net and dry them in shade for about a week. These can also be sun dried for about 2 to 3 days. After they are completely dried, they can be stored in an airtight container for about 1 month. To use, take 1 pinch of these granules, chew them for a minute and then swallow it. In case of loss of appetite, take it before food, and in case of bloating and gas, take it after food. Try this and share your feedback in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such useful and informative videos. Thank you.